What's up and good morning everybody. Back with another video for you today. Today I want to talk about my DI rinse system. A lot of people ask me a bunch of different questions about how it's done, what tools I use, and stuff of that nature. So today we're just going to go over it and cover some of the stuff that I use and how it's done. So first off, these are the two main tools that you're going to need here. Of course, first off, you're going to need a pressure washer. Makes it easy for, not having to put a mitt on your vehicle. If you wash it every week, you can just get away with pressure washing off the dirt and the bugs. I use the Simpson 3400 psi. It's really a little much psi. You don't need that much, but it makes it nice to have more power. You can turn it down if need be. Second of all, which you probably clicked on this video for the thumbnail, this is the DI rinse filter. As far as I'm concerned, this is probably the best one on the market right now. It does about 4,000 gallons. I've kind of outfitted it and went above and beyond of what is actually necessary for this. When you order this, you just get this filter here, and it's good for 4,000 gallons if your home has lower TDS water, which is a total dissolved solid. My house here, I currently have about 160 to 180 on the TDS. So it gets around 3,000 gallons. I've outfitted it on a cart, welded this up, fabbed it together in the garage here, added all the quick disconnect fittings. I also outfitted it with two-stage pre-filters here, so it helps the incoming TDS take some of the chlorine and chloramines out of the water before it actually goes into the DI filter, which just prolongs the resin life in here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just put this stuff together in my garage and use it every week, and it works very well. Yeah, I'll go over how it works here with you right now. Oh, and one thing to note, you're not always using the DI water for the whole wash. These valves up here, you can rotate these, and what that does is it lets the water come in and go into the filter and back out. However, when you close these valves, what happens is it bypasses this filter, so you're only doing your wash with hard water until you actually need the DI water. So it really cuts down on and prolongs the life of your filter a lot, since you're only using it for the final stage of your rinse, and that makes this filter top notch in my opinion. As far as soaps and chemicals go, I don't really use a whole lot. I've been using this stuff here by Chemical Guys. This stuff works really well. You can actually get this stuff at Walmart now, believe it or not. They're starting to carry them. This stuff's really nice. It works super well, like I said. There's lots of foam that comes out of this, more so than any of the other ones I've used. I've also tried the Honeydew Snow Foam, this one by Chemical Guys as well. I feel this one here does a lot better job than this one. They're both really nice. This one, the Honeydew, obviously smells a lot better, but this one I think foams a lot better and just works in generally a lot better. I'll show you here in the foam cannon in a minute. As far as the foam cannon goes, I literally have the cheapest one you can get from Amazon, $11 special here, but it really works well. It works better than some of the more expensive ones I've used. Also got the brushes and stuff like that for, if you've gone through a rainstorm or whatever, you really need to get down on some scrubbing, Got the bucket and stuff, with the grit guard and, Gamasil bucket, gotta have it. But yeah, that's just some of the chemicals I use right there. I don't really get down on a whole lot of chemicals. Really, this is just touch-free stuff here that I do. have it, it's just as easy as that. No drying, no washing, no scrubbing. Let the machine do all the work. That's pretty much all it is. As you can see, nice and shiny. No water spots whatsoever. Super good system. Firmly believe in it. So I think we'll wrap this video up here. I'd really like if you guys would subscribe to this channel. It would really help me out. If you have any more questions about where I get this stuff and anything else, just drop them in the comments below. I answer everybody's questions. But please like and subscribe to this channel. We can help it grow and we can get this platform off the ground a little better here. Thank you. Bye.